I chose sports medicine because that's what got me interested in medicine in the first place. Growing up, I was very involved in a variety of sports, and because of my heavy involvement, I myself suffered lots of injuries too. And while recovering and searching for answers for these injuries, I found a lack of awareness or medical providers to go to that are trained in sports medicine. And so that inspired me to also pursue this path in sports medicine so that I can help those that are similar to me that want to be active or are trying to be active. I often think that family medicine is pretty much the quarterback of healthcare. We're able to kind of guide them, direct them, and really, be present with them one-on-one. We're directing their entire healthcare. Me, I want to create an uplifting experience. I want to create a positive culture. It makes them feel okay to be vulnerable, to ask those questions that have been on their minds. And so creating that culture and that experience, it allows the patients to feel that they're able to work with me as a team. It's not just we're doctors, we're human beings, we have personalities, we all have different backgrounds, but we all have a similar goal, and that goal is to take care of our community while also taking care of each other. And I think that's what sets PVHC apart from everybody else, is just we're a family. I think patients do leave here from their appointments feeling empowered, that they've gained something out of their visits with us, that they're empowered with knowledge that they didn't have when they first came in. I think that's what they share with their peers, that not only did I learn something new, not only do I feel like I have a roadmap to follow, but my doctor's pretty awesome. And I think that's what they really share with their peers, that they're not just some average physician, they have personality. There's a certain uniqueness that PVHC has in terms of just providing that touch. And that could be a physical touch, that could be a mental touch, that could be even a spiritual or emotional touch. The most rewarding aspect of my work is simply being there for patients, building that relationship. People are coming into the doctor's office not in their best shape, but that's why we're here. We're here to help them out. We're here to answer any questions. We're here to lend a helping hand in their worst of times, and also, hopefully help them recover so that they can enjoy the best of their times and overall, thrive in their life and enjoy the highest quality of life while maintaining that relationship. I think that's what it comes down to. That's what's most rewarding about our profession and my job.